Hello students, today we are going to discuss about model 4, that is radiation chapter. In that radiation chapter, one important derivation is there. So that derivation is obtain an expression for the total emissive power of a diffuse surface is equals to pi times its intensity of radiation. Or in the examination they may ask to derive an expression for the total emissive power of diffuse surface is equals to pi times of its intensity of the radiation, or obtain an expression for diffused surface, that is E is equal to pi I also. Okay, so in that case you are to able to derive that equation. So before that, how we are going to start to derive the equation. So here the elementary surface area A1 and elementary surface area A2. So we have considered the home hemisphere surface, we have considered very small elementary area at this A1 and A2 we have considered. Okay, so let us will start to derive the equation. Okay, let us consider the radiation from, let us consider from the radiation from the elementary surface, DA1 at the center of the sphere, and as shown in the figure, as you have drawn here for this area. And suppose this radiation is absorbed by some other elementary area. Suppose this elementary area, that DA1, okay, absorbed by secondary element area and area DA2, okay, a portion of the hemispherical surface, hemispherical surface. Okay, so the projected area of DA1 on the plane perpendicular to the line joining DA1 and DA2. Okay, can you see this? The projected area of DA1 on the plane perpendicular to the line joining DA1 and DA2. So this is perpendicular. So if it is perpendicular, so we can write perpendicular to DA1 and DA2 cos theta. Okay, DA1 is equals to DA1 and DA2 is equal to DA2 is equal to DA1 cos theta. Now the solid angle subtended by the suspended by dA2 is equal to dA2 r square. dA2 is equal to dA2 r square. The intensity of the radiation, also we can write the intensity of the radiation, that is I is equals to dq12 divided by dA1 cos theta dA to r square. Okay, so here dA2 cos theta is there, so dA2 cos theta as dA2 by r square. Okay, where consider this is equation 1, where dq1 to 2 is nothing but is the rate of radiation heat transfer from dA1 to A2. Okay, now it is evident for this figure that from the figure we can write dA2 is equal to r d theta into r sin theta into cos r sin theta and d phi, and dA2 we can write further r square sin theta into d theta and phi, d phi. Okay, so from, if you consider this is equation 2, from the equation 192 we obtained that is dq1 to 2 is equal to I dA1 sin theta cos theta d theta phi. Suppose this is an equation for elementary of heat transfer radiation. Suppose if you want the total radiation through the hemisphere is given by Q is equal to I dA1 integration of theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2 and integration of theta is equal to 0 and theta is equal to 2 pi sin theta cos theta into d theta and d phi. Okay, now you can write further Q is equals to 2 pi I dA1 integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin theta cos theta and d theta. So here, as you studied in the previous semesters for maths, so double integration is there. So first you integrate for this term d phi. The phi integration is phi. So phi with the limits of 0 to 2 pi. So 2 pi minus pi, only 2 pi, that I taken I dA1 as it is, the remaining term I have written. Okay, so further you can write, so here the term pi I dA1 into 0 to pi by 2 sin theta cos theta and d theta. Okay, is there. can write further pi I dA1 integration of 0 to pi by 2, you can write 0 to pi by 2 as sine 2 theta into d theta, because we have taken integration of the standard term for this 0 to pi by 2 sin theta cos theta into d theta. We can write it as integration of sin 2 theta into d theta. Okay, so now the whole term of this one becomes 1. So as per the standard 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 theta by theta value is 1. So further pi I dA1. Okay, so q, this is there, and q also we can write MSU power into elementary area 1 and pi I into dA1. So pi A1, this one. So this is the desired equation. So this is the, therefore this is the total emissive power of diffused surface is equal to pi times of intensity of radiation. I hope you guys follow this derivation. So please keep on practice of this derivation. 1 or 2 times you have to practice, so it may help you, and it may ask in the examination also. You can be able to solve this. Thanks for watching this video.